Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and today's video is all about the VW Golf GTD. It's a Mark 8 Golf, and what we've added to this vehicle is a fully integrated reversing camera. This, as you can tell, is a lot of work to get inch perfect in terms of that install. That's why all our work gets done in our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. In terms of the actual install itself, there's an integration module that goes in behind the scenes, and as you can see now, crystal clear image with those lovely dynamic guidelines. As soon as you move that steering wheel, it guides you into place, that parking position, and you've also got the PDC Overlay as well, which is absolutely stunning. Full-size screen and crystal clear image. The really nice thing about this is it uses the Pro Fit Wedge Camera design, really discreet looking camera, and that is mounted to the back of the bumper, which does involve removing the bumper itself. If you're interested in getting the solution added to your car, let us know. All our details is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and smash that subscribe button.